In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Hubbell Inc., a company that designs and manufactures electrical and power distribution products. Hubbell Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HUBB. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HUBB to find Hubbell Inc. Select the result that lists Hubbell Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the brief company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the company name, the NASDAQ listing, and ticker HUB to confirm this is the right asset. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order pending execution, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once your trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.